Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Today we are working with the information technology for engineering subject that we will be present.
We will do the heat energy oven from the sawdust.
The heat energy oven from the Sawdust is artifact that we found early and we think is a new artifact and nobody has invented about it. That we have origin, important and problem that the heat energy oven.
This project, the heat energy oven from the sawdust, is a method in decreasing use the energy that so used in cooking as the cost of the gas expense and the electricity, especially eradicating the waste in the sawdust from the transport wood factory, improved to be the useful that decrease the waste matter.
In addition, also reduce the use of natural resources, natural gas, and also reduce the use of charcoal in the fuel and which defaults. Also, we invent the heat energy oven from the sawdust in other way for useful toward invent a new artifact at low cost contain their requirement. In addition, also
Bucket raw wood sawdust.
in community if compare between gas stove and stove used in cooking and other that if the heat energy oven from the sawdust instead the stove, it is the materials used the most and save the money. If compare in the price of stove that in the market the stove for 150 baht, but the heat energy oven from the Sawdust almost no cost in invention. In addition, it is make money that is for sale 70 baht. How do the following? Two inventor instrumentality. First, bucket. Second, round bar of wood 2 inches. Third, an chef knife. Fourth, sawdust. Fifth, fuel wood. And sixth, bottle. Propose first. Third, the method in decreasing the expense in families. Second, third, a new artifact. And third, the material used the most. How to do it? First, take bucket, lime. 2. Laying to the wood to cross together. 3. Putting the sawdust into the invented oven. 4. Putting the sawdust to cover the short wood, then pound it with the bottom to give the edge high of the level. 5. Putting the sawdust until filling the oven, pulling out of wood that is called by turning along the clock. 6. Putting out the wood of the insert the side of the hole by funneling along the close. 7. Burning the fire below the hole that burn at the side of the oven. Advantage 1. To use the less thing or the waste to be usefully by recycle. 2. To concern our environment. 3. Save the natural gas for save money. 5. To be the heat energy that substitute the gas oven and the charcoal oven in family. And 6. Income generation. Look for the test. Is boiling is success. So good. is the best of stove. Is finished. Now, unspent fuel, but burn until the sawdust become ash. In addition, the heat energy oven from the sawdust can use approximate 3 hours, and quenching can cause the bottom hole. Is the most benefit.
It used the waste to be usefully by recycle. Decrease the quantity of the waste from the factory of transmitting the wood. Decrease the expenses such as purchasing the material in cooking along the way of the enough business to consume our environment.
Remark the heat energy oven from the sawdust is better stove. In addition, it is fortified about knowledge that the important objective is creative, a new artifact, reduce waste and the material used the most, and we can create a new artifact. Success!
It's the best.
Thank you.